morning, folks. Welcome to my channel, Mona Snippets. I hope you guys are doing great. Wish you a very happy and colorful Holi. It was a sunny weekend, but the weather was still pleasant. So we thought of visiting an open air fighter jets museum, which is located at MG Road in Bangalore. My son loves to learn about all types of jets and how were they used during the battles. The place was peaceful and was a treat to our eyes. With some happy memories, we returned back home early evening around 5ish and took some rest as we were all tired. I really enjoy seeing my little one how he reads his storybook. These are one of those memories which I'll cherish for a lifetime. Meanwhile, my son has requested to prepare something special for dinner. So I have decided to make Aslam butter chicken. This dish was originated in the 1950s kitchen of the Moti Mahal restaurant. A chef named Aslam introduced an unique method of grilling chicken and then adding it to a creamy gravy with lots of butter. Hence the name Aslam butter chicken. Isn't it interesting? It is quite popular in Old Delhi at Jama Masjid. One of my dear friend introduced me to this dish and now it has become our family's favorite meal. It's high in calories because of butter and cream. So I prepared this dish once in a while. I will be explaining the steps in the description box and stay with me until the end of this video for the ingredient list. After adding the ground paste, I have added some jeera powder, some chaat masala and some ground pepper to it. Now all you have to do is mix this and marinate this mixture for minimum 1 hour. The more the merrier, because I had less time to prepare dinner, so I have marinated it for 1 hour. I have added little bit of butter to the marination for better binding. Now it's ready to be refrigerated. It's been an hour now and I have heated my wok. Put some olive oil. Once the oil gets heated up, fry each pieces of chicken on both sides until they get those beautiful brown spots and look like kababs. Keep flipping them in between to get the even color on all the sides. Meanwhile, when the chickens are getting fried, with the remaining green mixture, just add some water and curd and prepare a thick mixture so that we can make the gravy after the chicken has been fried perfectly. After frying all the chicken, just add this green mixture to the same kadhai and fry it on low heat. After mixing the curd mixture, add all the chicken pieces to the mixture and give it a good mix. Now this is the final step of adding the fresh cream to the mixture. Whisk the cream properly before adding the mixture to the kadhai. Put the heat on low and add the cream mixture to the chicken gravy. Give it a good mix after you add the cream and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes and the gravy is ready to serve. We all had this gravy with some leftover jeera rice and I had prepared fresh raita to go with it. Thanks for staying till the end of this video. That's it for today. Stay blessed, stay healthy till we meet again. Bye bye.